True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So I am in the St. Elizabeth area. Yeah man, I'm in one place where them call him Top Hill. Yeah, oh. Can see the tank? Water is life. Top Hill. Yeah man, so guys, welcome back to the channel. So I think the Top Hill area is supposed to be in Southfield. So take a tour with your tour guide, Fire Reid. First, me I just come outside here, so just see where I go on. It's right to the National Water Commission. I think is the tank that supply the area with water. Yes, so just a little sneak peek in the area showing where I go on. So you can see the view. Let me go further up and not really go see much. So I'm just giving a view from here. So I'm gonna make a turn and take you all back onto the main road. Yeah man, at the Top Hill area. Not really the main road, but this place can take you back to a small town in Southfield. I'm calling him Top Hill, you know. Very, very nice, cool and quiet town, you know. Yeah man. So big up everyone who is watching. Big up for yourself here and abroad, you can big up for yourself. There is no place like home in Jamaica. Exact location, yeah man, St. Elizabeth Top Hill. So I'm gonna make a left turn. I know a lot of people abroad want to see them area. And over here is a very nice climate in this area, guys. Very, very nice climate. When they talk about cool, you know if you have no AC over here, so we're not in this location. You can see the road condition. So yes, my people, so tell me what spot you now watch from so we can interact and leave something in the comments so we can understand. Say, yeah, me I watch from New York, Florida, ATL, Canada. Yeah man, leave something in the comment. Yeah man, I'm talking to you. And you know, my people, you know this area is also a farming area. A lot of farming take place over here. You know, them farm different types of crops like pumpkin, tomato, cabbage, sweet pepper. Mostly everything grow in this area. Thyme, you can say it. Them places them supply a lot of different parish. Most likely all in the tourist area. Them big hotel and thing. If you want everything, you know, you have to come to St. Elizabeth to get all them seasoning there and stuff. Yes, my beautiful people. Yeah man, Jamaica, this man, a beautiful Jamaica, you know. Can't forget them place here. Enough people born and grow in them area. never get the chance to come back to Jamaica, we see what I go on the top hill. So anybody who know the landmark, that's the tank right there, so you're supposed to know the area. So the tank would be a landmark. So people drive back in the days and could remember say a tank is right there, so them can remember what they can look out for and thing, you know. So we are passing the first step ECI. Yeah man, this is the first step ECI. Right on your left. Big up yourself, Bam Bam and Liam. The road condition kind of a bit bad still, so as I say, I always a tour and show you how I go on in the area, you know. I think they need to fix the road still, you know. The road I need to fix, even though it's would I say a back road, but a road I need to fix because you have a lot of house in this area and it's a very nice area also. So yes, my beautiful people, if you want me to visit some place, you can indicate. Never really I do some videos from the other day because, you know, after Hurricane Melissa, a lot of don't have any internet to upload any video like that, so it's kind of very hectic for me. And so I would say it's a struggle because where I'm at, I still don't have any reliable internet at the moment. Them places I have to blow no hand now because I see the road kind of very close, and yeah, some people when them drive, some crazy set of people when them drive, them not blow no horn, none at all. So we have to be careful on them road there. Very nice area, man. So just have to enjoy the ride with the tour guide, and if I see any property for sale, yeah man, we still are going property for sale and thing. So far I don't see any property for sale, like any sign, I would all let you know. Yeah, man, I take a little time and go through and show the viewers them what go on, you know. Yes, my viewers, yes, man. You know, say in Jamaica, you know, say people bury their loved one in front of them home and things same way. So that's Jamaica culture, that, you know. Jamaica culture. Now I showed you say town side in Jamaica either, and I have to turn off of the main and take it in a sound lane. So you can see how Jamaica stay from a different angle. Big up yourself, Bam Bam and Stitchy. I will be seeing you all soon. Yeah, man, through me I chop a video right now, so you don't know how you go. So chop and go through. So see you all soon. Watch on them pretty vegetable here. Tell me people. Tell us if you love Jamaica, you know, man. Who don't love Jamaica? Leave in the comment section if you love Jamaica or not. Yeah, man, leave in the comment section. A lot of lettuce plant here, so, and sweet pepper. You know, so we love lettuce on the sandwich, you know. Yes, man. So we do it, you know. So hope you have an understanding of what go on. Some people say they might come to Jamaica and don't know where to go. Many different roads can take you to many different places. Also beautiful places. Yes, man. See it now? So where this road will take you right now, take you back right onto the main road, which is still in Top Hill area. If you make the right turn, it will take you back to the tank. But I will make the left turn. Will take you into the small, not really say town area, but this is where you have your car mart, also your gas station and supermarket. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you have a Top Hill St. Elizabeth Farm Store. Have an auto parts place same way. So we not forget our beautiful island, man, Jamaica, in the St. Elizabeth area. So guys, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.